Agent layer. This is the AI agent token, which is a very hot trending topic right now at the moment in the crypto market. If I show you, then you can clearly see within 24 hours it goes down by 21.2%. So it is a very good opportunity for the smart money to buy in. And I have found some whales wallet also who have accumulated at this level on this deep. They have bought the token. So anywhere to let me see the current market cap. Current market cap is $10 million and the pricing is $0.06187. So I have found that the whales have bought the dips, and they are the big money magnets who are very much early at the gem projects. So it seems to be a very good opportunity for you to grab these tokens who have not bought this earlier, and this will go pump 10x, I think minimum 10x within 5x to 10x. My prediction is within a week, and if everything is good, then maybe it can go to 100x, 50x to 100x within a month. Yes, possibly it can do. It has the very much good potential. The project is very good right now. It is AI category tokens. You can check out the more details on its website also. I'll not go very much deep through it. It will take much more times. Where you can buy it is more important. So you can buy it on get.io, BingX, KCX. It is available on big exchanges also. And one more thing, you can buy it on base blockchain also. So you can swap the Ethereum base to buy this token. So I think it is a very good opportunity right now. Who have not bought these tokens, you can accumulate here also, as it is a very good opportunity right now. $10 million market cap. Future it can go 100 million to 1 billion. So this is it for today's. How was it? How was it? Did you like my? Did you like what I said? My English is very little weak because I'm not English speaker. Anyways, this was about the good opportunity. You can buy this, and please do your own research. This is not financial advice because the crypto market is very highly volatile. It can go anywhere down because crypto market is very volatile. It can either go down huge or it can go upside. Potential is very high, 100x, 1000x, because as you have seen that XRP has also pumped 5x within a month 5x. It was a large cap market cap, so it was unexpected for that token to see pump up to that much, because it was not moving since 2 3 years, because it was a very much high market cap and it is extremely low market cap. So it's very sure that it will go minimum 100x during this bull market. So good luck for this, my friend. And if you want to know something more, then subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.